Hi, this is John Gold, drums and vocals for the Axial Flow Band. We're based out of Raleigh, North Carolina, United States of America. I've been playing drums for about 50 years now in all kinds of bands, classic rock, heavy rock, metal. Currently, I'm just playing in what I guess is a hard rock band, a modern hard rock band. And we've just released our first EP called Axial Flow Band Chapter 1. It's a 3-song EP, and we have several other covers and a few originals on YouTube. And we're streaming all over Spotify, Apple Music, things like that. So we're definitely upwardly mobile. We're transitioning from a cover band into an all originals band. I guess what they call emerging artist. Anyway, the Collision team has been very generous in offering me a approach sponsorship endorsement, which I am very proud to accept. And my first choice, I'm working on my first order. I ordered about 6 pair for my first order. And just from the brochure, I decided to go with the Stealth 5As. They seem to be probably the closest to what I'm normally accustomed to. I normally play an 8DN from an American manufacturer. And I wanted to try out the 5A Stealths. I really like them. I used to really enjoy the head sticks, the black. I like the black with the lighter colored tips, mostly for the showmanship aspect for our live shows and whatnot. But these sticks feel really great in my hands. The tips are holding up really good. You can see there's just a little bit of paint wear where I imagine out on the hi-hats, but that's to be expected. But overall, these sticks feel very well balanced, not too heavy, not too light. I get good feedback from the ride cymbal when I'm doing intricate patterns on the ride or whatever. And oddly enough, the tips are holding up much better than I expected they would. I've always been a nylon tip guy because of the durability and a little bit more crisp definition out of the cymbal strikes, hi-hat strikes, things like that, as well as the snare drum work. But these wood tips, they must be really, really made well and hard, because I'm just barely getting one to chip out a little bit. And I've got probably 6 rehearsal sessions on these. And when I do my personal rehearsal, usually I go at it pretty hard. I'm really not a rudiments exercise kind of guy. I'm, for the most part, self-taught drummer. I've been playing, like I said, about 50 years. I did get some very basic music training and snare drum experience in high school with the marching band. I did that for about 3 years. But that's about the extent of my formal training. Otherwise, I was about 12 years old and started rocking out to Kiss Alive. That's when I really knew I wanted to be a hard rock drummer. And I've played everything from that right on up to select Rush covers, select Yes covers, Pantera, gosh, all the classic stuff. So yeah, I'm a pretty well-rounded drummer and very happy in this current music that I'm playing now with my mates, Wayne and Tom, in the Axial Flow Band, here again based in Raleigh, North Carolina, USA. Here in a minute, we're gonna cut out to a home studio play-along, playing to my own covers. Imagine that. Anyway, it's going to be a song off of our EP called Burn That Bridge. And I hope you like it. And here again, I want to thank the Collision Drumsticks staff and team over in the UK, Great Britain. Thank you so much for accepting me as one of your newest endorsed players. I'll represent you to the best of my ability and make really good music. I look forward to collaborating with you and your team, as well as all the other Collision Drumsticks artists out there. So check us out on YouTube, Spotify, drop a comment, Facebook. We're pretty active on Facebook. And actually a Flow Band on Facebook, John Gold on Facebook. So I look forward to hearing from you guys. I look forward to collaborating, sharing some ideas. And I'm always trying to find new ways to play drums. But here again, I'm an old school guy. these young drummers that are just blast beating all over the place. I'm just too old for that. But anyway, I'm having a lot of fun, and this is about the most professional endeavor that I've been in so far. It's a little late in life, but that's okay. Better late than never. So here again, this is John Gold, drums and vocals for the Axial Flow Band, Raleigh, North Carolina, United States, signing off. And I look forward to collaborating with you soon. Good night.